Aero Asset presents this Bell 429 serial number 57037. With over 400 aircraft delivered worldwide, the Bell 429 delivers exceptional speed and range. Offering lower operational costs with best-in-class operational reliability, the Bell 429 delivers outstanding cruise and hover performance, as well as enhanced safety margins, drive system, and fully integrated glass cockpit. Powered by two efficient, compact, and robust Pratt & Whitney PW207D2 engines, coupled with advanced rotorcraft avionics and a sleek and sophisticated design, the platform never compromises comfort nor performance. This Bell 429, serial number 57037, was manufactured in 2011 and was flown for charter, air medical, and search and rescue use. Its wide cabin and panoramic view ensure optimum visibility for both passengers and crew, with two interior options, a 5-seat VIP layout and a full air medical and search and rescue equipped interior. The cockpit is single and dual pilot day and night IFR certified, with a 4-axis autopilot equipped with Garmin GTN 750, 650 avionics, auxiliary fuel tank, inlet barrier filter, and Garmin satellite communication system, ASO approved, along with a cockpit voice recorder and flight data recorder. Other notable options include emergency flotation fixed and removable parts, air conditioning, cabin soundproofing, hoist, and cargo hook provisions and equipment. This Bell 429 is hangared in Bern, Switzerland, a short drive from Basel and Zurich. Bell 429, serial number 57037, presented by Aero Asset.